South Africans, if you've got a banking app on your phone, then you need to listen to this. The National Financial Ombud Scheme has issued a big warning. Fraudsters are now targeting virtual cards linked to your banking app. One victim lost 500,000 rand after scammers tricked her into giving away her login details. They then created virtual cards in her name and she unknowingly approved the transactions on her own phone. And here's the scary part, the bank refused to refund her because the approvals came from her device using her correct credentials. So how do you protect yourself? Never share your PINs, your password or your one-time PINs. Don't just tap approve. Read every notification carefully. Use multi-factor authentication. Avoid banking or public Wi-Fi. Set spending limits on your cards. So the bottom line is, if fraud happens from your phone with your details, the bank won't cover you. Prevention is the only defense. Stay sharp, protect your money.